Hello all, welcome to my channel Codify with Sonal. The topic which we will be covering today is strings in Java. So if you want to check out the previous videos, please check out the playlist pinned above, which contains the starting of Java, what is Java, how you create data types, how you have constructors, multiple inheritance, and lot of other concepts. So let's start. What is string? So string is used for storing text. It is a sequence of characters, but in Java it is an object. Okay, like example string name equal to Sonal. So using literal, you can define the string. String s is equals to code or new keyword, because as I said it is an object also. So you can use the new keyword and you can store it this way. We'll be covering more in live demo. So stay connected till the end. So here we are in our IDE and I've already created a project called a string demo. So let's go ahead and create a class called demo. Okay. And I will have let's have a main method first. And I'll create a string. Now as we saw, string can be created in two ways. So using literal. Okay. So now if I say codify. Okay. So now this is a literal. In this way, if I create one more string, s1 equal to same codify. So what happens in behind part is that this literal is created inside the constant pool, okay, inside heap string constant pool. So if it will, when you create s1 with the same name, it will first check, do we have a similar value? Yes, so let s and s1 both point to that value. Let's not create two space values, okay. And second way of constructing string is new. Okay, using new keyword, you can print it out to just make an identification for you guys. Let's print s, and similarly let's print s1. Okay, we'll just run this. Okay, codify with Sonal. So now you have various methods in string. If you want to print a character at so and so value, if you want to compare it, compare to ignore case, so that you want to ignore the lowercase and uppercase, you don't want to match the case, you want to match the value. Okay, concatenating the string, contains, if that sequence contains, as we know string is a character sequence, so if you want to check if that string contains some sequence, so you can just try out all these methods, and if you have any doubts, please let me know in the comment box. Okay, hopefully the session was useful, and if you have any doubts, please let me know in the comment box below. Till then, stay happy. Let's codify with Sonal in the next video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you get a notification of the updated video. Thank you.